Yo, what's up, y'all? Man, I was just going to go check the mail. You know, the Lord be speaking to you when you least expect it. Just going to get mail, you know. Some of you guys deny that, God be speaking to people, This one's for y'all. You know what I mean? This one's for y'all. I went to go check my mail. Check out this package I got. Check out what it say. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Check it out. What it say? Prime. Lord gave me a word. He said he's making me prime. When my enemies say I'm less, like pay less, I'm prime. See, man, y'all be missing out on this good word when y'all don't be thinking the Lord be speaking to y'all just in every day, man. Just in every day. I mean, you just got to believe. If you believe it, it'll happen to you, But, I mean, it is what it is. So, hold on a second. How you doing? Lord gave me another word. Check this out. Check this out. Some of y'all don't have access into the door that the Lord wants for you because you don't have a key, You don't have a key, But the Lord say, if you trust in me, I'll give it to you. And guess what? Mighty doors will open in his name. See, y'all don't be trusting the power of God, man. So look, I'm gonna let that resonate with y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, shout out to my haters. Shout out to those who, don't believe that God is still doing a mighty work. You don't believe it. And guess what? Doors won't open to you like that. If you don't believe it. So look, man, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Keep looking out for the next video where the Lord speaks, all right?